The Solo Stove Mesa solves the problem of having a real wood fire in a small space. If you live in an apartment, a condo, you have a small patio, and you really want to enjoy an authentic campfire, the Solo Stove Mesa is going to solve that problem. The single most praised feature that customers mention, including myself, is once this thing heats up, there's no smoke. If you will watch the video, you'll see no smoke from this Mesa Solo Stove. I really like the stand that it comes with. You're not going to be sitting your Solo Stove directly on a surface. This little stand works perfect, and there's almost no heat generated to the bottom. After the fire got started for a while, I checked and there was virtually no heat from the Solo Stove to those bricks sitting on that coffee table. And just so you'll know, I like to use wood pellets as my fuel, just any wood pellets at the store. Now, I saw some people in the reviews complaining that it needs a lot of attention. Well, yes, it does. It is a small Solo Stove and you're burning wood pellets, but man, the fun of playing with a fire, that never gets old. If you're okay with pouring in some wood pellets every 15 minutes or so, then you should consider this a buy. If you do get one, I hope you enjoy yours as much as I enjoy mine.